A very good morning to everybody. How are you all? कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So children, tell me which date is today? आज कौन सी date है? Today is 15th April 2021. Right? आज कौन सी डेट है? 15th April 2021. And yesterday क्या था? Which date it was? Yesterday it was which date? कौन सी डेट थी? कल. Yesterday was 14th April, right? 14th April था ना? Okay. And which day is today? कौन सा day है आज? Thursday. Are you able to see? Thursday. कौन सी day है आज? Thursday. Okay. And which month is going on? कौन सा month चल रहा है? April month is going on. Okay children? April month is going on. And you all are in which class? आप कौन से class में हो? You all are in UKG Doraemon. UKG Doraemon. Right? So children, in the previous class, we have learned about two-letter words, right? We have learned about two-letter words. Okay? We will quickly revise them. Okay? हम जल्दी से उसको क्या करेंगे? Revise करेंगे. Okay? So, come here. These are two-letter words. Two-letter words. Okay? A, T. First of all, this is A, T. A का क्या sound था? Tell me children. Tell me children. What is the sound of A? Okay. The sound of A is A, apple. A and T, T. Right? T, T. A, T. So, the word becomes at. Both the sound of both the letters clubs together, joins together and make a new word, that is at. Okay? A, N, an. A, and sound of N is N, an. A, D, add. A, D, D, add. Right? So children, A, M. Okay? What is the sound of A? A, and sound of M? A, am. Okay? A, M, am. A, B, ab, ab. A, B, ab. A, P, a, p. The sound of both the letters A and P clubs together, joins together and makes a new word, that is app. Okay? App. App. Next word is ag. Can you see that this is A and this is G? Ag. Ag. So these all are two-letter words. Okay? These all are two-letter words. Okay? This is today. Now we will learn new concept. Today we will learn new concept after two-letter words. Today we will learn about three-letter words. Three-letter words. Can you see here? Three-letter words. Three-letter words. Okay? Three-letter words. And these all are 88 है ना. आप सबको ये सबको सारा क्या दिख रहा होगा? 88. तो आज हम 88 के फैमिली से कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स सीखेंगे. ओके? 88 की फैमिली से क्या सीखेंगे हम लोग? टुडे वी विल लर्न न्यू वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द फैमिली ऑफ 88. ओके? सो दिस 88 वी विल टेक आउट. ठीक है? 88. So children, tell me that can you recognize which letter is this? ये कौन सा letter है? Can you recognize children? This is What is this? This is M. Okay. And can you recognize that is this a consonant or a vowel? ये क्या है? Consonant है कि vowel है? Can you recognize? Right. You all are right. This is a consonant. ये क्या है? Consonant है. M is a consonant. Okay. So this is M and M is a consonant, right? M is a consonant friend of yours. आपका ये M consonant friend है. So here let's see that कौन सा न्यू वर्ड बनता है. 80 ऐड के साथ कौन सा न्यू वर्ड बनता है देखते हैं. Here. What is the new word? Tell me children, what is the new word? The new word is M-A-T. Mat. M, what is the sound of M? M and A-T. Mat. Mat. Okay? And do you know what is mat? आपको पता है mat क्या होता है? This is mat. This is mat. है ना? ये क्या है? mat है. आप जब बाहर से आते होगे तो आपके घर में मैट रखा होता होगा ना, उसमें आप लोग क्या करते होगे? अपने क्लीन करते होगे, अपने फीट्स को क्लीन करते होगे. सो दिस इज मैट. द न्यू लेटर, द न्यू वर्ड इज, द न्यू 3 letter वर्ड इज मैट. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज मैट? दिस इज मैट. नेक्स्ट. This is. Can you recognize which letter is this? ये कौन सा letter है? Which letter is this children? Yes, C. And is this a vowel or a consonant? ये vowel है कि consonant है? This is a consonant. This is a consonant. C is a consonant. And C से क्या होता है? You all know? Cat. क्या होता है? Cat. So the new letter is, the new word is C-A-T. C-A-T is cat. Do you know what is cat? आपको पता है कि cat क्या है? This is a cat. आपको पता है इसकी साउंड क्या है? इसकी वॉइस क्या है? Meow, meow. Right? This is cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay, we will move on to next word. Which letter is this, children? Are you able to see which letter is this? This is H, right? H. Okay. And is this a consonant or a vowel? ये क्या है? Consonant है कि vowel है? This is a consonant, right? ये क्या है? Consonant. And the sound of H is horse, her, right? हम horse बोलते हैं ना? Her, horse, her. Okay? So let's see what is the new word. H-A-T. H-A-T is hat. Hat. Do you know what is hat? I will show you. What is this? Hat. Hat क्या करते हो? अपने हेड पे पहनते हो ना hat? धूप से बचने के लिए, है ना? hat पहनते हो ना? So the new letter is hat. H-A-T. Hat. And this is hat. Let's move on to next word. Which letter is this? ये कौन सा letter है? This is R. R. And the sound of R is R. Right? R. Rat. R for rat. R for rat. We will. So, what is the new word? What is the new word? R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Okay. And what is rat? Do you know what is rat? दिस इज रैट। रैट की क्या होती है साउंड, क्या होती है रैट की? वो आपके घरों में आता होगा ना, गर्मियों में आते हैं ना रैट, है ना? तो आप सबने देखा है व्हाट इज रैट? आप सबने देखा है रैट क्या होता है, कैसे दिखता है? दिस इज रैट। और रैट की क्या साउंड होती है? ची 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 ची, है ना? ची 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 करता है रैट, राइट? सो RAT is rat. Okay, children? Let's move on to new word. What is this? This is, what is this? This is bee, right? ये क्या है? bee है ना? So is this a vowel or a consonant? This is a consonant. Okay, and the sound of b is b, right? है ना? b का sound क्या होता है? b, ball, b, bat, b, basket. Okay, b, b. And if we add this b and at, then what is the new word? The new word is BAT, bat. BAT, bat. क्या बन गया? Bat. BAT, bat. And what is the bat? What is bat? Bat क्या होता है? ये होता है ना bat. Do you know that in cricket we use bat and ball? हम क्या करते हैं क्रिकेट में? किससे खेलते हैं? बैट और बॉल से खेलते हैं ना. सो दिस इज बैट दैट यू प्ले. दिस इज बैट दैट यू प्ले with, right? This is bat, and the spelling of bat is BAT, bat. We will quickly revise all these 3-letter words. This is MAT, mat. This is CAT, cat. This is HAT, 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 hat. This is RAT, 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 है ना? rat. This is BAT, 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 bat. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood what is 2-letter words and what are 3-letter words. आप लोग समझ गए होंगे 2-letter words कौन से हैं और 3-letter words कौन से हैं. These are 2-letter words जो कि 2 लेटर से होते हैं. These are 3-letter words जो कि किससे होते हैं? 3 लेटर से होते हैं. Okay, now we will do this work in notebook. In the next video I will tell you what is the work that we will do in notebook. Okay, children?